Hi, I'm Aya.
And I'm Rose.
And welcome to the Besties Club, a cozy little corner where we talk about friendships, life abroad.
And all the real stuff that comes with starting over somewhere new.
So grab a drink
Get comfy.
and hang out with us. Hello.
First episode.
Welcome.
And exciting.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Also,
Anyway.
nervous a bit.
We're
So
gonna
welcome
go first.
to the Besties Club.
Mm, so, do
We
you
can
want to go
start with
first?
the introduction.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm Aya, originally from the Philippines, and I live in the Netherlands for 3 years. And yeah, so I met Rosie from a cultural exchange
In short, for au pair. Maybe
program.
because they don't know it. Anyway, and I'm Rose. And I moved here 2022 September. And yeah, we met. I met. I think October or November,
Yeah.
somewhere along those months. And we have been friends since then.
Yeah. We how did we started meeting each other? Oh, we were like in a WhatsApp group, no?
We were.
Oh, what was it?
I can't remember anymore.
I
And
think yeah, we were in a WhatsApp group, and then there's this person who's asking who wants to hang out.
then ha.
Yeah, in The Hague.
Mhm.
So then and then
Tapos nag-meet kami
yeah,
sa
I didn't know
milk
there would be
teahan.
a
Milk teahan. I think
oh
yun yung first meeting natin.
oh
Milk
yeah.
tea.
Aside from the other French, remember the French woman?
Yun yun.
You makes new hair.
Hindi ko na maalala girl.
We met her once. Remember we were like in a pub.
Mhm.
So yung maglo-law school sana kasi nag-gap year siya.
Girl, hindi ko
Na okay.
matandaan.
So
Anyway,
anyway,
ayun. Nag-meet kami sa milk teahan.
yeah, she was
Tapos,
very friendly.
ayun, and then we used to live in the same city anyway. So, and then we tried to meet up other people, I think. But hindi siya nag-work out.
Hmm.
So yeah, ayun. And ever since then kami na,
We've been
partners
seeing each
in
other.
crime.
Yeah.
Seeing each other, girl, parang the date.
Oo.
In fairness.
Every weekends ganyan, no?
Mm-hmm.
Because she's living close to the beach.
Anyway,
Outram.
and why this podcast?
Hmm. Bakit nga ba? Wait lang. Sarap ng cake. Hmm. When we hang out, when we catch up, it's once in a blue moon. So, sobrang rare.
Mm-hmm.
Because she lives far. I think 1 hour by
Almost, yeah.
train. Yeah, 45 minutes.
We love yapping. We love
Mm-hmm.
talking. Well, not in a gossip kind of way, just in a random stuff like what's up.
Yeah, random stories actually. Like topics
So,
in
nagaganda yung,
general.
yung topics. And we both think that because it's a way of reminiscing how we survived the Netherlands as friends. And I think this is kind of like of our like guide, a self-help guide for people like us, especially Filipinos who's planning to come to the Netherlands and
Or
to
just live
immigrate.
abroad.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be in the same country. Go out of the comfort zone.
hmm
Find
And
independence.
I think it's because we rarely see or have podcasters, Filipino podcasters here in the Netherlands. I've heard a lot of it. I've watched a lot of podcasters from New Zealand, Australia, US, but never from the Netherlands, I think. No?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think they do that.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. So aside from we also just like to catch up. It's more of also inspiring
yeah.
others to because our country is also a bit conservative. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parang they will not go out of their comfort zone. Oh, I'm living a good life here. I'm not going out of the country. But it's also nice on your 20s to, experience
Yeah.
new things and try new things. And And you'll end up having a podcast like this.
It's more like a chica session for us because, like Aya said, it we rarely see each other. But when we actually see each other, I don't think a day is enough to catch up with the things that have happened with our lives.
Yeah, just
So,
remember when we had the video call?
oh yeah,
Yeah, we lasted for 2 hours.
almost three actually.
Yeah,
So
2 to 3 hours. Just we supposedly have to
just
have a
plan.
meeting
Hmm.
for this podcast, but we end up talking a lot of other things.
And it's nice to talk, just talk, and get lost in the things that happens in
Mm-hmm.
our daily lives.
To
Welcome.
share with you, yeah,
And what do they expect?
yeah. Well, what can you expect from the podcast? Well, we were gonna talk about mostly from the our
Mm-hmm.
lives here in the Netherlands and about adulthood.
Yeah.
Just you might be wondering how is it like living abroad.
Because disclaimer, it's not always sunshine and rainbows, to be honest. We're in the Netherlands, but we fought our way here, I
Yeah,
think.
I
We
know. I
worked
think
so
her.
hard
Yeah,
to achieve what we have now here. Because even if you're here, you have to consistently do more, don't you
yeah,
think?
yeah. Also, like in terms of just the language,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you really have to learn also the language. That's the first one.
Girl, it's not easy. Girl.
Hmm. Sabi ko sa'yo, mapapakain ka na talaga ng popcorn na.
Anyway,
So
yeah.
yun, we're gonna just talk, and if you have questions or comments, we're gonna do sometimes like
Yeah.
interactions on social medias if you're curious about something,
Yeah,
then you
if
can let us know.
you
We're
want
gonna,
some topics for us to discuss,
yeah,
we hope that we have the answers for it. We're just gonna be
trying, yeah,
talking based on our experiences, and disclaimer doesn't have to be the right way, but maybe
yeah,
could help you in any way we can.
yes.
So,
So Netherlands. We
girl,
talk about our impressions, or how
okay.
do we start? Okay. Ano bang gusto nyo?
Like,
We don't want to overwhelm in the first episode, yeah, but
mhm.
we can already talk now about the country, no?
Like, how did you come here? Like, paano ka? Describe how you felt or
Um,
you experienced yung
I applied for the program after the pandemic.
ano to? Girl,
Yeah.
so far, long
Oo.
time ago.
Hmm.
Kailan ba? 2020? Wait, okay lang.
2022, I came here
That's
2022.
post ano?
Post-pandemic nga.
Yeah.
Kaya parang nung, syempre, we're stuck in the Philippines. How many years lockdown? 2 years?
Well, more or less,
More,
yeah.
more than 2 years? Like, literally, you cannot go out because there are police
Yeah,
everywhere in the
true.
borders. So you're just stuck at home and you're like, I want to see more
Girl,
than Asia.
nung nag-Denmark ako, 2020 mismo,
20, COVID-19.
naka-ano lahat, ano
Face
tawag doon?
mask.
Yung face shield pa, hindi lang
Ah,
face mask.
kahit doon sa Denmark, naka-face.
Oo.
Ah,
Actually, nung nakarating na ako ng Denmark, ako lang yung naka-face shield.
sa airport.
Oo, sa
Pagdating mo
airport, dun sa
okay.
pati dun si ano, kasi diba, Manila, Dubai, then
Mm-mm.
Dubai to Copenhagen. Yung sa Copenhagen to, Dubai to Copenhagen, ako lang yung naka-face shield.
Takot na takot.
Yeah, true.
I was
Anyway,
so scared to get the virus. Yeah, I think everyone panicked. So.
kasi ganun yung from Manila kasi, yun yung requirement, naka-face shield.
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
naman siguro lang, para extra precaution lang, pero hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi ako na-awkward nung Manila to Dubai kasi halos lahat kami naka-face shield.
Mm-mm.
Pero nung Dubai to Copenhagen, yun na yung, ay wait, di ko ba tanggalin? Kasi parang
Ah.
parang tanga.
But the people in Denmark, were they also wearing
Ano lang,
face mask lang?
face mask lang. Oh.
So, ayun. So I was thinking, alam mo yung when you're stuck in a place na you
Yeah.
don't see a lot of things every day, you cannot do
Mhm.
anything every day. You're just so eager to do something and
Something.
experience new things. I was like that at that point.
Yeah.
Na parang, I
Especially
want,
sa Pinas noon, no?
oo,
Ganda,
parang, ay. I want to see, even my parents will not allow me to see.
Mhm.
So I applied secretly.
Hindi niya alam.
And then until they find out. So
Mm.
I told them. So my
Yeah.
mama was holding my passport and she doesn't want to give it at the
Aw.
beginning. But it was a nice
Buti
decision.
pinayagan ka.
Oo. Pinush ko talaga.
Mm. Worth it
Ikaw?
naman. Worth it naman so
Oo.
far. Oo, I know.
Yes. I like it.
Anyway, ako lang, paano ba?
Were you
Prior,
like curious already about
I
Europe?
was, because I grew up in a small town where everybody almost know everybody.
Oh yeah.
So, which is not a good thing. It's also good because it's comfort, you're in there, you're used to it. But that's the thing about comfort. I don't think you'll ever grow if you stay in that same place where you,
Same people,
yeah,
same place. Yeah.
it's, yeah, it's good. But I believe that there's more for me to discover.
Mm-hmm.
And I was ambitious too.
I
It
think
pays to
so.
be so ambitious, in a good way. And yeah, I guess my ambitiousness led me here. Yeah.
We also grew up in Asia that we like to watch a lot of English movies. Alam mo yun? Like,
Yeah.
you would
Yeah.
see Europe on the movies, how
Diba?
they,
Picture perfect.
yeah.
And
It's just like nice to see it in person, experience. So, the Netherlands. At first, I didn't know the country name.
yeah,
Even the Dutch, I don't know. Nung una, I really don't know.
ang akala ko lang na name noon Holland talaga. Mm.
Ah. I al- I know like Germany, yan yung mga
Yeah.
famous European countries.
France,
France, Italy.
Switzerland
Yeah, but I think because the country
is
is
so small.
small,
Mm-hmm.
not everybody knows it. Like if you go to some provinces in Pinas, if you tell them I'm from the Netherlands, they don't really
Saan
know.
yan? Like,
Yeah.
but I think they know it from the Holland name.
Ah, yeah. The old
Kasi if, for example, pag visit ko yung mga relatives ko, like from Spain, they would refer it to as
land.
Holland, hindi Netherlands. So if I say Netherlands, saan yan? Sa Denmark?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi. So Netherlands,
Oh,
it's,
or siguro, sorry to cut you. Parang Amsterdam, they would know.
oh yeah,
I think
I'm no
Amsterdam they
Amsterdam, but
would.
the whole Netherlands,
Yeah.
hindi. So,
Yeah, because there will be like Filipino movies where the setting
mhm,
would be Amsterdam, so
Amsterdam.
then that's how you get to know
It's
it.
actually the Amsterdam yung rason kung bakit I moved here. Because I used to be,
Ah,
diba, nasa
you
Denmark
wanted
na
to
ako
see.
noon. Tapos actually, nung nasa Denmark na ako, I was 25, sabi ko, mag 1 year au pair na lang ako. 1 year, then after 1 year, talagang magsa-stop na ako. At yun talaga yung yung end na destination ko talaga as an au pair is the Netherlands.
Mm,
After yun, nung natapos na yung ko, yung nung au pair contract ko, ayun na, settle na din.
yeah.
It was a goal.
So your first was Denmark,
Then Norway.
Norway, and then Denmark.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Netherlands. Just been to a lot of.
3 times.
It's mostly Scandinavian.
Yeah.
Is it the same in Netherlands?
Alin?
Yung Scandinavia or different?
Hindi, yung Netherlands kasi, ano siya, Central Europe, considered as Central Europe. Pero yung sa Denmark, Norway, tsaka Iceland, Finland, they're in the North, so Nordics,
Ah,
ang tawag. So,
somehow same no, kasi parang sa west,
yeah, they're all
northern west.
Western, parang,
Yeah,
yeah, Northwestern sila.
like
Western
how they
Europe sila.
are. Yung
Pag Romania na, and Eastern.
kasi di ba meron silang parang famous dish pa yun? Anong tawag doon? Yung HYGGE. It's like their culture.
Sa Denmark,
Yeah, it's Scandinavian people na parang they just
ah,
like to
hig.
socialize. Hygge.
Sa Denmark
Hygge.
yun.
Ah, hygge.
May
That's
iba,
how you say it.
may iba silang term sa Norwegian, pero same concept.
Ah.
Chill. Gezellig.
Gezellig.
Sa
Okay, in
Dutch.
Dutch.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh,
Mhm.
hygge. Hygge? Or
Hygge.
is that Dutch? O ganun
Hygge.
din sa Denmark? Hygge. Hygge. I always hear and see those people doing that. Kasi very common yan dito.
Alin?
Like
Yung
they would
cozy,
really
cozy?
prioritize socializing,
Yeah.
talking, no
Yeah.
phones.
Yeah.
They find it disrespectful. Mm,
They
just
they value personal time. So if ano parang it's considered the taboo if you
yeah.
contact a colleague outside of working hours because
True.
you expect people to have a life outside of work.
Yeah.
So work life balance is pretty
Yeah,
good here.
something that you will never find in Asia or not really normal for us.
Mhm. Kasi ano sa Asia kasi or at least sa Philippines, they normalize working hard until
True.
magkakuba-kuba or whatever.
Yeah.
And it shouldn't be because life is
Or
amazing.
true.
Diba?
That's the thing you like. Or let's talk about maybe your first impression when you
Yeah.
came here in the Netherlands. Parang would you
Yeah.
expect na oh it would be the same as in Denmark or hindi?
Nung ano kasi, nung first time ko ma-visit yung Amsterdam,
Also
um,
before you settled here, you were
yeah,
already
na-visit ko na.
came.
Kasi yun yung reason din kung bakit, yeah, I wanna move to the Netherlands after I'm done with this. Ganun. Pero nung nag-visit kasi ako, sa Amsterdam kasi ang, ano, mas madaming tourists than locals, I think.
I think internationals, no?
International, daming international. So,
Mm.
it's very rare that you actually hear Dutch. You'll hear English more than Dutch because it's a very touristy city.
Mhm. Very diverse.
And yeah, after when I moved here, I fell in love. I know it's very weird because I fell in love how busy it was, how different it was. Because I was in Norway at that time, and Norway it's a beautiful country, but it's more on nature.
Mm.
So and Netherlands is very flat.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's very city-ish. It's very touristy, and I fell in love with that. And when I came here, it was actually raining. First visited, it was
Mm.
raining,
Bad impression.
but I still came. I still
Mm.
stayed,
Mm.
so I don't think it mattered most.
Yeah. Well, I think I underestimated the weather. When I came
Mhm.
here, I brought like two luggages. Siyempre, lahat ng pang-aura.
Mhm.
Dala ko. Tapos, I was not prepared for the cold weather. Because
Really.
when I came here, I was so, like, I was not even researching about the weather that I didn't know it's gonna get cold, like to
Super cold.
zero.
Yeah.
And I came on winter, November.
Mhm.
Girl, I get windburns here, there.
Ano? Yeah.
Tapos, I don't have anything. Like, I don't have gloves. I don't have beanie.
Yeah.
I don't have puffer jacket. I just put it when I came here. And then, that was it, really.
So dito mo binili lahat ng winter essentials mo.
Mm. Pero
My God.
meron ako mga dala jacket.
Yeah.
Pang Baguio, like that.
Girl.
That type.
Baguio.
Di pala pwede dito.
Anyway. Yeah.
But that was my first winter experience, so I didn't know anything about it. But
Yeah.
it would be understandable kung like malamig lang or it's just cold.
Yeah.
But the thing is, there's
It's
heavy
actually
wind.
freezing. Yeah,
There's a
because
wind
Netherlands is very flat. So wala siyang, kumbaga wala siyang mountains na parang Sierra
to
Madre
protect.
in a
Yeah,
way na nagbablock nung strong winds.
yeah, and we're close to the sea.
Mm-hmm.
You will check there.
Yeah. And yeah.
So yeah, I came here and I was like, oh, I'm always going out, but then sometimes it stops me from going out because it's really cold outside.
Yeah. I know.
And like, I was like vomiting in the beginning
Girl,
because I think because of the food, I was just
you're
having
not used to it.
adjustments.
Yeah.
Yeah, and dry skin, all like dry scalps
Mm.
everywhere.
So first impressions. And how is it going so far? Your stay here.
Uh, well, I
4 years
like
na
it.
mo, 4 years na no.
Yeah,
Yeah.
4 years actually so far okay naman. Maganda naman talaga yung
Mm-hmm.
country itself, the government and everything. Very supportive. And the locals are very friendly. When I first came here,
Mm-hmm.
very awkward pa ako pala. Kasi if you would enter like elevator, people would like hi hello to you.
Here.
Oo,
Yeah.
yung parang they would really greet you like
Just
you're
hi. Yeah.
just a friend to them. Very friendly, very polite, they're really nice.
But that's the thing. Filipinos are also naturally polite. Like they
Yeah, we also do
smile.
that. Yeah. But I didn't expect. I would expect that
Okay. That they're
people from the north are a bit cold.
colder.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Yung
Yeah.
parang, oh, individualistic,
Mm-hmm.
you know? Like,
Yeah.
But no, it's the other way around. Sobrang bait.
Yeah. I personally I think Dutch people are a bit friendlier than the Scandinavian people
Mm.
because I think the more you go south
Mm.
of the equator or south of Europe, more the
Warmer.
friendlier the people are. 'Cause, I think with the weather,
Yeah, yeah.
because in the north it's cold, so people are tend to be a bit distant to other
Mm-hmm.
people, especially with foreigners, I
Mm-hmm.
think.
I want to know the psychology behind that.
And
That's why we.
Denmark,
Mm-hmm.
and it was better in Denmark because I used to live close to Copenhagen. They're more used to diversity, more used to
Mm.
Filipinos, foreigners.
Yeah.
So they're more open. But then when I came here, it's actually they're more open
Yeah. Better
in a
than
way.
yeah.
Yeah. But in general, really cool and friendly people in Dutch.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. But the only thing that I got so na-disappoint lang ako nung una kasi 'di ba I got used to Norway and Denmark and
Mm-hmm.
dun sa Norway and Denmark ano sila very efficient and if sa tingin mo efficient dito mas efficient doon
Mm.
kasi nung I had problems noon about registering myself to the city
Municipality.
yung
Yeah.
municipality.
Sorry, you will hear some Dutch
Yeah.
words. Now we cannot remember the English term.
Anyway, kasi dun sa
Gemeente. Gemeente
Gemeente
is
is municipality, city hall. You
municipality.
could say that too, right? Kasi sa Denmark noon, in a span of like I think within 1 week, 1 month, meron na akong nakaregister na ako,
Ah,
may bank account, may um, health card,
uh-huh.
meron na lahat, meron ng everything. Sa Netherlands noon, magti 3 months na BSN pa lang yung ko, meron ako.
Mm.
Mhm.
Because you were processing it alone?
Hindi naman, parang ano lang, madaming kumbaga
Requirements.
hindi naman sa requirements, ano lang, madaming appointments or slot
Oh yeah.
or nagba-backlog pa nung nung
Uh-huh.
applications or yeah, appointments sa City Hall. Kaya siguro
Mm.
natagalan. But I was so surprised kasi
The Hague, no?
mhm, dahil medyo kasi big city.
Mm-hmm.
I understand. Pero yun lang. Pero ganun din naman doon sa amin dun sa Denmark noon.
Yeah.
Ayun lang yung ko, yung
Medyo,
na na-turn off ako.
okay. Medyo mabagal
Medyo
yung process.
matagal. Mhm.
I think I just didn't like the weather at all. In the
Yung weather
beginning,
lang. Mhm.
I got used to it now. Sometimes hindi pa din, sometimes not really because you cannot really predict. Like now,
Yeah, right?
yeah, we went out and it was sunny, but we already like after 1 hour or more,
Yeah.
we just decided to go inside again because yeah, it's getting cold and it's just there's a
So it's
wind.
funny again.
It's nice, it's sunny, but it's just also sometimes cold for us Filipinos. I think for Dutch is
You're used to it.
yeah. For us, ano pa rin kami, we have still the Filipino
Oh my
skin.
God. I don't think yung parang yung weather, yun yung tipo na you have to, parang ang slow nung progress sa akin actually.
Mm.
Kumbaga, 4 years ako dito pero parang akala mo nakapag-adjust ka na or nakapag-adapt ka
Yeah,
na.
yeah, yeah.
But then this happens and then suddenly,
I don't think even the Dutch are,
yeah.
always prepared for. But you have to be always prepared. Like bring your
Yeah.
essentials,
Yeah.
like umbrella, because you never know when it's gonna rain. Yeah, I think let's have a break, and we'll get back to you guys. See you.